Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to your favorite crypto trading channel, where today I'm gonna recap what we talked about in the past video, which you can see on the screen right here. We're gonna go through some stats when it comes to the global cryptocurrency market, see where the market's gonna go and what kind of weird moves we've been making in the past few days. So it's the start of a new trading week, start of a new trading day, and let's just get straight into it. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, and let's just get on the charts, which is my favorite thing. So a little recap of what we did in the past video. We have the MPO, right? It's the minimum price objective on Bitcoin itself, right? So if I remove everything off the chart and do what I usually do, which is plot out my zones, you can see that there is the previous target that we were looking at, which is the 20k level, forming quite a nice zone of support at this stage. But the next zone of support, if price continues moving down, is directly at the 10k level. Both of these are psychologically significant zones because they are completely round numbers, right? You have 20k and you have the 10k level. Now, if you zoom in to the chart itself, you will see that we are creating somewhat of a support, and you can draw it in multiple different ways. You can draw it like this, for example, or you could draw it as a trend line that was broken out of, or a correction pattern that was broken out of, or you can draw it as another correction pattern that is still not broken out of just yet, as we did make a break today, right? So if you move on to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we did make a break today, but price very quickly got rejected from the downside, meaning that this support is strong. So what's going on with the market, with Bitcoin in general, with crypto? Well, there's a lot of indecision going on. We've had this Ethereum merge news happening, right, where a lot of different institutions are still waiting to see the value of this merge on the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, it does consume 99% less power than it did before, but what else? Is this good? Is this bad? Is this what is holding the market up? Whereas, the US 500 and everything is just making a steady downtrend, right? I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see. But when it comes to Bitcoin's price action, this looks like an almost perfect correction pattern that, once broken out very strong on the daily time frame, or if this daily candle, for example, closes below, we are almost certain to continue moving towards more downside. Now, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap before we do get into a few other coins that you guys suggested. We have the market cap that is $900 billion at this point, right? It's less than 1 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance is at 40%, Ethereum dominance at 17.8%. These are quite low numbers. And if you guys don't know what dominance actually means, it means how much market cap of the total market is in Bitcoin compared to how much is in Ethereum, for example. So over the past, since 2020, right, we've seen a lot of a drop in Bitcoin's dominance compared to Ethereum. So as you can see, Ethereum has been growing constantly. It is this blue line right here, whereas Bitcoin has just been falling constantly. Why is this? Well, Bitcoin is a vastly less efficient network than Ethereum is, and it makes perfect sense that Ethereum is gaining more and more dominance over time. Now, a little bit more about CoinDesk. We don't see too much interesting news for the day. The US Treasury wants public to comment on crypto's role in illicit finance. This is all normal. Regulation will hit at some point or another. But what you guys need to know is that there is a lot of different uncertainties happening within the market right now. First of all, when it comes to Bitcoin, we could be making a double bottom formation right here and continuing this correction pattern towards the upside before finally making a breakdown and moving towards the 10k level. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, having in mind this merge situation, right? We did have two scenarios that I plotted out in the past video. One of them was a break towards the downside of this strong level of support, which you can see right here. And what did we do? Well, we broke down, right? We broke down, and we are currently moving towards the downside, as I said would happen. But it's still not done, right? This still could be interpreted as a bullish correction pattern, and we still could see another move towards the upside, which is even stronger, right? If this is a liquidity grab. So let's not take any longs or shorts just yet. It is important to stay calm on a Monday. It's important to subscribe to the channel right now if you don't want to miss out on the latest news and info and the free knowledge that I'm giving you all. And generally, be careful when trading on Mondays or Fridays, because Mondays, usually the market has no direction, and Fridays, usually volume is dropping down because people are getting ready for the weekend. So that's it for today's quick recap. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I mean, make sure to leave a like and all of these things. You know the drill already. Ask me some questions in the comments. I'll be glad to comment on it in the next part of the next video, and I will see you all in the next one.